talk about how can you cancel subscriptions on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down here, so then you just click here on cancel subscription, just click on it here. So then it's going to cancel with you here on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.